Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will try to throw some light on the popular beliefs of Indian consumers, especially. The Indians, we have certain, misconceptions or certain beliefs. In the previous video, we have discussed something about beliefs, and there we have understood that beliefs are not always logical, they are not always rational. We based on certain experiences or based on certain knowledge that we acquire, we establish or we form certain beliefs which may not always be true, may not always be logical and rational. Okay, and from the consumer point of view, we'll understand certain interesting beliefs and how marketers have tried to, cash in on them. Okay, see, the first belief, unfortunately, is in Indian perspective or in Indian culture, fair skin. The obsession we Indians have for the fair skin. I'm not really feeling comfortable, saying this, but at least you have to change that obsession for fair skin, because the obsession is so deep rooted in Indian society, and not only in Indian societies, across the world. Fair skin somehow is, it is seen synonymous to royalty and beauty. Okay, and especially in Indian society, we have that obsession for fair skin, and the moment a child is born, an infant, that infant is judged brutally by the color of the skin. Okay, which is not a very good thing to do. At least we have to, think over it and change that perception we have. Okay, but from the marketing point of view, that obsession of fair skin, that is, brutally exploited by marketers. Okay, like everything fair, 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 like whatever, however you look, if you are fair, you are considered beautiful, and that belief of the Indian society has been, widely used by the marketers. You know what brands I am talking about. Okay, which is not really agreeable. Okay, so that is the popular belief we hold, and that is how the Indian society has been exploited by the marketers. I think I can say that. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, and the other belief is whatever cheap is uh, poor in quality. Okay, this is another popular belief most of the consumers hold. Okay, so when a company, even though some companies, they genuinely try to offer a product at a cheaper price, we immediately conclude, or because we believe that cheap is something bad. Okay, so that is another popular belief, and that is the reason many companies, like, despite of them trying to offer a genuine discount or genuine low price product to the market, also they fail. Okay, because, say for example, we Indians, we have again a popular belief that Chinese products are cheap, they are not good in quality. Okay, which sometimes may be true, but not every time. Like China, they definitely have good products, but because of their calculations and their economies of scale that they could achieve, they offer the products at a cheaper price. Okay, again, I am not for China products, or I am not promoting Chinese products. I am just trying to establish the, like, how beliefs affect the marketing strategies. That is what I am trying to tell you. Okay, so whatever cheap for us, and many parts of the world also, they are not exclusive to Indian consumers. Okay, many people, they believe that whatever is cheap, that is also poor in quality, which always may not be true. Okay, next, effective dental care products won't taste good. This is another popular belief we all have. Okay, so dental care products, like that is the reason why certain Ayurvedic products, certain marketers who promote dental toothpaste and all, claiming to be Ayurvedic from herbs and plant extracts. Okay, they really do not bother to offer the consumer better taste, because they already have this popular belief. No, they already believe that dental care products which really have certain worth in them will not taste good. Consumers already have that belief, right? And that is the reason why certain marketers of certain herbal and Ayurvedic dental toothpaste, they don't really mind taste. Okay, so ready to eat food is not fresh. This is another very popular belief. Okay, we all in Indian societies, most of the people, they are used to traditional and home cooked food. Okay, so when companies like MTR and ITC, when they try to introduce ready-made flavors or ready-made mixes, food mixes, they found it very very hard to get into the suburban and the rural consumer segments, where this popular belief is very deep rooted, that anything packed and ready to eat packets, they are not good and they are not fresh enough. Okay, so of course, in spite of the that popular belief, these companies like MTR and ITC, they still could get into the urban segments of the Indian societies, like positioning themselves to be healthy as well as quick to use or ready to use. Okay, so that is another popular belief. And touch and feel factor is important in the selection of fruits and vegetables. This is another very popular, conception we all have, right? So we literally want to touch the vegetables, fruits, and the pulses, the leafy vegetables, whatever that kind of food items. We want to touch them and feel them and see the quality for ourselves through that touch. Okay, so that is very very deep rooted again in Indian consumers. Okay, because that is the reason why the big food chain outlets like Big Bazaar, the Reliance outlets or the Spencer's outlets, they all leave the vegetables and fruits open for consumer selection by touching them. They pack them, but that was not a very successful strategy as far as Indian mindset is concerned and Indian consumer beliefs are concerned. Okay, so that is the reason why they still, even today, if you observe, the vegetables and fruits, they are left open. Okay, we can still touch them, we can select them through touch. Okay, next is products with beautiful packing are good. This is another belief. We believe somehow when we go on to shopping, somehow we get attracted by the beautiful packing that the product has. Okay, we end up choosing that product with eye-catchy colors and beautiful packing and reusable packing. That is also something which Indians are more attracted to, Indian consumers, right? If we want those containers to be reused in the kitchen. Okay, so and we believe, somehow we believe that when the packing is good, the product's quality is also good. Okay, that is another popular belief. And expensive products are better in quality and performance. Okay, this is another very popular belief across the world, I can say. Okay, more expensive the brand or the product is, the more good it is. That is the popular belief. And people, marketers, they also exploit that tendency of consumers. Okay, they claim themselves to be the premium brand, with high price. Okay, so that is how they make us believe that we are paying more for the quality, for the better performance. Okay, we can see around us so many brands which position themselves as premium brands. Okay, and they price the brand at the highest possible price. They and we consumers, like we consumers, we also believe that we spend that money, we pay that money, believing that we are getting the best of quality. Okay, and it's a question mark, no, like we don't really know whether all the claims, all the loud and tall claims that the marketers are making, whether they are really worth it or not, worth the money we are, the premium price we are paying or not. Okay, we do not cross check it, but still we do pay the price. Okay, so these are certain popular beliefs the consumers will have. Okay, thank you.